Hello everyone. Welcome back to the new video. In this video we are going to do three things. First, we'll be updating the scenario, updating our trading tracking shit. The second thing is going to be the pure the second section is going to be the pure before and after videos, what we have predicted at the start of the week, what have happened at the end of the week, and the third thing is going to be the pure technical analysis, which is the trades we are going to take in the next week. So most probably, yeah, this is a line. This line is coming. I don't know how, but I mean it's a reflection of the light which is in front of me. Guess what? I'm also working now. We are having the trades, like a three trades in a week, but I'm also working on the strategy which is going to be just give me a second. Is Bluetooth is connected? Bluetooth is off. Check. So I'm also working on the strategy which is also going to be which will give us like a 1 to 2 trades per day, where our profit percentage per week is going to be almost 1.6% average. What we are using the current strategy, but I'm modifying the current strategy for the day trading. So our average percentage will grow from 1.6% per week to 8% per week, which is huge, isn't it? So it will come up. I'm going to launch it in a next week, not next week, next to next week, because I will show you. Hold on, because I'm going to launch it on 19 January, because I have to try it and test it from 12 January to 16 January. So yeah, this is probably it is, brother. I'm going to launch it on 19 January. Guess what? That right there is going to be this thing to make us more money, and who don't want to make more money. So yeah, let's start with this video. Here we go. Yeah, this is my new Mac. I know everyone like it. So this was a lecture I was doing for improving our business, which is the trading mentorship. So here we go for trading. No, no, no. First section is the whole about Google Google Doc. No, 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 no. Google. Okay. I can click here as well, but no, I don't. I wanted to click here only. It will be more good, more precise. So yeah, there is one fear of not having this, that previously I tried to do the recording, but the issue was the recording was getting disconnected. I don't know why. But now I need to make sure that the video is getting recorded time after time after time. The timer over here. So yeah, this is going to be this trading tracking plan. So guess what? This week we miss like this was a week we could easily end up like almost 2 plus 2 4 lakhs. Easily we can make 4 lakhs. But the thing was, I missed the trade. You know how? I will let you every single thing. Also, the day trading strategy which I am working on. Also over there we also miss a lot of money, but we haven't took the trade on the bigger account. On the day trading strategy, I have took the trade on the smaller account, where there was a two trades. Actually, there was three trades. One trade we Two trades we missed. One trade we took, and that trade hit our stop loss and hit our take profit. So I got liquidity grab. Actually, there was three trades. I took two trades, not one trade. I took two trades. One, we literally was correct in our prediction, but our take profit was about to hit so closer, and then it reversed and hit our stop loss. Then I realized, oh my god, my stop loss was so big. That is the reason our risk to reward ratio doesn't get match, and this is how was going to be get happen. But then the second trade I took, I learned from a previous trade that stop loss was so big, so I keep the stop loss little bit smaller. I hit my stop loss and then it instantly gone to my take profit. That right there was the second, and the third was I was about to take the trade, but the price is starting dropping so quickly, so I won't be able to get my price entry. So that reason I was like, all right, I accept that. I missed this trade, and that was a trade certainly going into so risk to reward ratio. If like I was risking $40 in a trade, so we could end up like almost 4 is are 8, 4 to 12, 4 is 16, $160. All the two losses we have done $40. One is we could recover that losses, and also we could end up more profit than ever. And if we could, and if I took the same trade on the $1 lakh account, then we could easily end up like $4-5 thousand, which is in INR it was like 4-5 lakhs. So yes, brother, January started, money is incoming. So in the next week, I am predicting that we will be ending up almost 1 to 2 lakhs in the next week easily. So yeah, before we do anything about trading, we're gonna have to go through this trading shit. So let's start. Let's read one by one. It just take 1 minute. Trading success shit. The goal, before we start, let me check. Recording is on. Yeah, timer is on. Screen is getting shared. Yeah. Also the mic was not working. Yeah, yeah. The mic was not working because mic was not activated. So that is the reason. But now it is working. So trading success shit. Just a second. Yeah, camera angle. Trading success sheet started. Goal to become a financially free by consistently making 1% per month on $100,000 account, which is equals to $1,000, which is equals to 84,000 INR approximately. It is so simple. In a month, we end up making 6% as per maths. 6 9 6 9 4%, 4.2 yeah, 4.8% as per maths. So 1% is so simple to make, right? So by following this trading plan, we can easily make 4.8% per month, which is equivalent to $4,800, which is equals to 3,98,400 INR. Easy, right? So the long term goal is going to be having 400 accounts, minimum of $300,000 per account. Total is going to be $1.2 million. Total funding I will be having 300,000 multiplied by 4 is equals to $1.2 million, which is what our long term goal is going to be, which I'm going to purchase when I make money by selling trading mentorship. And making 4.8% on $1.2 million account is equals to equivalence to 57,600 dollars, which is equals to 47,80,800 INR. Doing the exact same thing which we are doing right now, if we just increase our portfolio, doing the exact same thing will make more money than you ever thought, which seems illegal. This seems like a dreamy. This is not going to be true, but it's a maths. It is going to be true because it's proven by maths. If it is proven by maths that there is going to be sunrise, then there will be sunrise. Give me a day where there is no sunrise, because it's mathematically proven that there will be a sunrise. So yeah, it is proven, brother. So it's not a dreamy. If you if you haven't think that this is going to work, that then brother, then that's the issue. Then this will seems a dreamy for you. All right, let's go next. The trading plan. Oh, the emoji got updated. Trading trades per day, trades per week. We are going to take trades per week is equals to 3 trades per week. The risk per trade is equals to 0.8% per trade. Risk to reward ratio is equals to 1.2 risk to reward ratio. So win rate is going to be 70%, 2 wins and 1 losses. We're considering, I personally wanted to consider 50% win rate over here, but I won't be able to, because how it will be 1.5 trades win, 1.5 trade loss. It is impossible to do it because we are taking 3 trades. So that is the reason 2 wins and 1 losses. So weekly outcome is going to be the 1 loss is going to be, we will be losing is not a good word. Will be loss. Will do loss of 0.8%. Okay, and the 2 wins will be winning. Will be making 3.2%. So as per maths, will be making 2.4% per week. So that is a very huge number. But will not consider 2.4%. Will consider half of it. So that is the reason 1.2% per week is the average earning of per week as per the maths. 1.2% per week is equals to $1,200. $1,200 is above 1 lakh in INR. It's so easy to make it, brother. Let's go next. Per month outcome is equals to 4.8% per month, 1.2% per week. We have 4 weeks in a month, so 1.2%, 1.2%, 1.2%, and 1.2% is equals to, combining all, is equals to 4.8% per month. It is so easy. 4.8% per month is equals to $4,800 in our current account, is equals to almost 3,98,000. Easily, right? So progress sheet, account type $5,000. We haven't took any trade. We're still down minus 1.64%. Funded account $5,000. Yes, this is I'm actually using for the intraday strategy checking. So I wanted to go and grab my phone to update this numbers. This is the same number. This other $1 lakh funded account has end up with $97,000. We are down minus 2.4%. Like, because I took the 3 wrong trades. I mean, I took 3 trades where 2 was a wrong trade, and I was accepted that the probability of winning is going to be just 40% and the probability of losing is going to be 60%. And the other trade, man, the third trade I have took, which I close on break even, which I must not be doing, but I have done it just because I was knowing that we can get a re-entry in the next week, because week was going to get end. I was going to get a re-entry in the next week. The re-entry haven't happened the way I wanted. I haven't took the trade, but the prediction was correct that the market is going to go down. The price have gone down, but my prediction was exactly correct, but we haven't make any money over there. If we make money in this week over there, so we'll be covering our all of the losses, and will be in positive, and we could easily withdraw that. So we'll update this number. Just give me a second. Is there any way I can log in? Wait. Let me check. Can I log in? What is day in the life of an astronaut? Nukoba. I don't want to. Funded next. Password should not get visible. If that doesn't get visible, then yeah, we can log in then. Log in. So, oh, the new interface, huh? Wait, yeah, the password is not getting visible. We can easily log in over there. The light has gone. No, I don't want. Okay. Oh, really? I mean, this is the only reason I like Mac. The light has just vanished off. Uh, I'm visible, right? 14. Yeah. Rather than getting the phone. Wait. Something went wrong, brother. There is no error. Okay. What I will do, I will just type it. Um. Ata, what is this? An applicant error client side. See the browser console for more information. Update password. Not now. That means we were correct. The password. What? What's the problem is? Okay, this thing is not working. Hold on. Okay, I hate this. Okay, now I hate this. I will try one last time and I will give up because I don't want to log in because to log in that into this PC it requires the authentication, and if there is no authentication is provided to this, then we can't log in. And if we do try to log in forcefully, then our account can get banned. Password is not visible, right? Okay, I just type it by myself and it does login. Looks like that it does login. Oh yeah, it does login. So as you can see, oh yeah, I have also posted on the LinkedIn that I'm taking only 5 students because I'm starting, right? I have to. I want the testimonials and rest of the things, reviews, testimonials. So I'm taking the 5 students completely for free. The way I'm trading, I will teach them the way I'm trading, and I will teach them how they can start making 1 lakh per month easily. So if you're interested, then comment down. We'll look into it. And guess what? Only 5. I have reached 2 applicants. Only 3 spots are remaining. If you got late, you got late. But you can check your luck by just commenting down you are interested. So yeah, this is the account. We can see the password must not get visible. Master password, investor password. Yeah. So where, yeah, this is the balance. This thing, this thing doesn't matter for me. It's just a number on a screen because I am trying. See, personally, I want to lose this account because I don't want 2 accounts in my portfolio right now. One is big, one is small. Even I can't take the same trade on both of the. I can't because that will become into copy trading. We can't do copy trading in our own account. That is the reason I want to lose this account. So if I want to lose this account, so why not to do the practice? I mean, why not to do experiments on this account? So that is the reason. That is the reason we are doing this. So, and the experiment is going to get through. So we'll record this account in the next week easily. No problem with this. Now you probably will get like you probably get you probably or you probably will get freaked out by seeing this negative things. Negative 147, negative minus 2.95. It's a part of a game, brother. It is what it is. Okay, how much it is? Yeah, 2.95. So it is 2.95. This is so easy to recover. You know what? This is so easy to recover because if we are risking how much? 0.8%. Let me show you by using the calculator. Calculator. It's a celebrate. 0.8% we are risking and we'll be targeting two trades. 2%. So uh will be if two trades will get win at 1.6%, we'll be making 3.2%, and we are down about 2.95%. That means we make we recover our losses and we will be ending up in a profit. So within just two trades, it is so easy to recover the losses. But if you don't know how to recover the losses, then there is a issue. Then probably you will get freaked out, right? This funded account, we're down $97, 97,567. Let me check. Uh, 97, yeah, 567.96.96, yeah. You wanna see? I mean, I will click on this. 2.43%. Same, see the percentages are same, but the values are so big. This will be the this minus will probably your yearly salary. So this is how I'm growing so fast. So 2.43%, 2.43%. I was just checking this is getting match or not. Yeah, this is getting match. So we have successfully updated this. So the last thing is the weekly tracking shit. Now this is the week 3. Okay, the week 2 was 2.43% loss easily, not a matter. So I'm not tracking the big account. I'm not tracking yeah. I'm not tracking this $5,000 account. I'm only tracking this account. So in this week we haven't took any trade. So NA, we can go for NA. No trades on this account. Took trades on $5,000 account. So easy, so easy. So we'll have to make that's it. Week 4. So week 4 is going to be start at 12 January to 16 January. 12 January 2026. That right there is 2026 to 16 January, right? Yeah, 16 January. 16 Jan 2026. The target is going to be 1.2%. So this is this week. The next, not this week. This week, currently we are right now over here because Sunday is going on. Tomorrow is going to be Monday. That means tomorrow is going to be 12 January to 16 January. Our target for this is this. Our target for the next week is going to be 1.2%. Easily we'll make it. We'll make it. The last thing is notes. Consistency is greater than speed. Stick to the plan, stay patient. Focus on executions, not emotions. One plan, one process, one goal is equal to freedom. That right there is the success plan. And if you get out of this plan, then no one is going to save you, brother. No one is, no one is going to save you. It means this plan is to make you understand. This plan is saying, you want to do you say you wanna get good in shape. You want the biceps, you want the triceps, you want the body building, right? So this plan is saying that yo, go to the gym, do this, do that. And if you don't go to gym, even though the plan is saying you to go to the gym, you haven't followed the plan, that means you will not get the result. So that is the reason following the plan is only the thing which we have right now. So yeah, recording is on 24. Yeah. So this is how we have finished the first part of this video. That is going to be the updating the what it is updating our trading plan or trade tracking sheets. So yeah, so now don't get overwhelmed. If you don't understand, calm down. I will explain you what is going on right now. Forget about this. We are doing right now the before and after CHF JPY and some other JPY. NZD JPY, is that NZD JPY? No, no, other JPY. CHF, where is CHF JPY? Okay, I haven't considered that over here because these are the currency which I was doing the experiments on, which actually also CAD JPY. Yeah, CAD JPY was the currency we were looking for to take the sell trade. Is that? Yeah. See, exactly what I said. Exactly what I have predicted. It has happened to the perfection. No one can I am saying that this is going to go down. And guess what? In the next week, it gone down. That means I am predicting the trillion dollar market. This is a huge skill I'm having right now. And guess what? If I have the skills, I can make money easily. I have shown you exactly how I'm going to make money. And this is how it happens. I just go in a previous video, just literally go in a previous video. I have said that this is going to go down no matter what. I'm giving guarantee. And now we're saying after the week is finished, it actually gone down. So you can ask, brother, why haven't you took the trade? So the answer of this is where it is. I was waiting for this red candle to close below this line, below this candle, below this HL line. It closed so below, okay? That was a worst thing. Then I was waiting for the retracement. I was waiting for the retracement inside the box this candle, which haven't happened. It comes closer, but I was looking to take the trade inside the box. I mean, I literally won't touch to this box, which haven't happened, and I missed the trade. It was so, I mean, we missed the 2 lakh rupees over here easily. Not 2 lakhs, 1,45,000. Even greater, we can easily go for 2 lakhs because if we just go over here and if we keep our stop loss here, we are making on 3 3.74. That means if we risk $800, that is going to be will be making 3.74. Let's not consider 7 4, will making 3 times of what we risk. So if we risk $800, we'll be making multiply by 3. So 8 1 8 2 6 8 3 are 24. 2 lakh 4,000 $2,400. $2,400 converting into INR is equals to how much? Let me show you. $2,400, oops, in INR. Over here, see, it is everything in front of you. 2,16,641. Easily, like I have missed this trade. I have missed the money on the table. Like anything. But it is what it is. It's a part of a game. I follow the plan. I follow the things. This is exactly what I said happens to the perfection. Let's move on. Let's move on. So CAD JPY, we are predicted that it is going to go down. Other currency NZD JPY, is that was currency? I mean, nah, this is not currency. Euro JPY. I just de-shortlist the trades. Yeah, this is the currency. No, no, this is not the currency. JPY or JPY. No, CHF JPY. CAD JPY, CHF JPY. Let me check. CHF JPY was a currency we have. Yeah, over here. Just go in a previous video, man. I have said this. Oh my, I have said this, brother. I literally said this, that this thing is going to go down. Like, I want someone to clip my before and after. I have said the market was closed over here and it was going to go open over here on a Monday. I have told this is going to go down no matter what. I have literally said, like, I know it is going to go down. It's 100% guarantee it is going to go down. Then now you can ask me, yo Udesh, why you haven't took the trade? The answer is over here. Okay, let me delete this. Okay. So I was waiting for the Monday candle to close. Monday candle closed below this candle, then on Tuesday I was looking to take the trade. It's gone 4 hours. Let's see why I haven't took the trade. The only reason is this. I was the 30-minute was bullish while we were taking the sell trade. So I was not feeling comfortable because if 30-minute was bullish, 9 out of 10 times it goes into loss. So that is the reason I haven't took the trade over here. It was so easy to take the trade. Look at this. Like over here, even if, like, this is the risks. Okay, now why this is flipping? This, if I just ignore every single thing and if I still took the trade, let's say if I took the trade and this will be the stop loss. Actually, this will be not the stop loss, somewhere down there. 3.84 plus 1 for 348 for 950. Yeah. So just look at this, where the market have gone. Market, this gone over here up till here. 2.61%. That means if I'm risking $800 over here, I could end up making multiply by 2.6. So let's do the calculations. Do not use your brain. 800 multiply by 2.6. Easily one more $2,800, $2,080. Again, in this currency, we literally miss almost 2,080. 1,87,000 we miss. It is a part of a game, brother. It is a part of a game. I just won't be able to took this trade. Why? Because I don't want to. I don't want to risk it. Because as per the data, it is not looking good. And if I'm not confident in taking the trade, I just don't trade. I just don't take the trade. See, because one hour was also bullish. We were taking the highs and higher lows. I was pretty much confident that it is going to come up again and then get bearish to go down, but it haven't happened. It just got bearish over here and it just melted down. It is what it is. But wait, it haven't hit our take profit. So that was I'm saying right now. It haven't hit our take profit. So we could easily end up again to the break even where we have took the trade. That means trade reverse and come to our entry price. So this is what I'm saying. If I'm confident, it must be going to get take profit. Take profit was this box. So this is how I missed the trade, also missed a lot of money. So let's sum this profit 2 lakhs and previous what it is. Previous trade CAT GPY 2 lakhs. We easily missed 4 lakhs, isn't it? That is right. That right there is the game plan, brother. So yeah. So this was a before and after of my prediction. So guess what? In a previous week, we have end up. What is the win rate of for the previous week? The win rate for the previous week was both trade have done what I wanted. I have predicted that this both trades are going to go down, and guess what? Both trade gone down. That means what I said has happened to the perfection. So the win rate is equals to 100%. Not a single trader you can find in the trading space that is literally saying in front of everyone that this is going to do this. and this is like look at this, man. So now we have finished. Now let's sum this up. Let's go to the next section. So we have finished this second section, that is this before and after. So now we'll go to the third section. The third section is going to be the pure technical analysis. Okay, so this was an intraday trading I was looking into. Before I go to the third section, I just wanted to tell you about this intraday. Um, yeah, okay, let it be. I just don't want to do. I just don't want to do. Like, reveal it right now. I will reveal it after 2 weeks because I got so good in prediction because trading is not making money. Now you'll be like, yo, Uddesh, like what are you talking? Trading, all people take the trade to make money, and that is why all the people lose. Only 1% wins. And 1% thing, I am coming in the 1% who wins and make money. Trading is industry where you are not looking to make money. Trading is industry is where you are just predicting the market. That is all you are doing. Okay, so if you bad in predicting the market, how in the world you're going to make money, right? And guess what? I got so good in prediction that anyone can wake me up from the sleep and ask me, oh, what is going to happen for about this currency within 15 minutes, and I'll be like, yeah, this is going to do this, and this is going to go down, this is going to go up, and this will be have a breakout, and yo, bye, good night. And the next 15 minutes that happens. So I am got so good in prediction, so I'm thinking like, why I'm predicting the higher time frames. Let's just go on a lower time frame, and we could make end up making more money than we usually do. That's a great idea, and I practice it in this week, and my predictions are working in a lower time frame as well because the market is fractal. That is what I got, and that is what I understand. And guess what? I am going to practice one more time in the next week, and in the next week we'll be get if we get the very substantious result, then I'm going all in with the next to next week in a bigger account, and you'll see how much I will make. So yeah, January is the month where we are going to make a lot more money. January, February, March. These are the 3 months we'll make a lot of money. April and May is bit tricky, so we'll be making money, but will not make a lot money like January, February, March. So yeah, just the December was the issue. December we haven't took any trade because there was no movement. How in the world we will be taking the trades? So let's go in section 3. I'm thirsty right now. The video is recording. Yeah, let's go in section 3. Let's do the pure technical analysis. What is going to happen? And guess what? Whatever I say, it has to happen. So just buckle up because you're going to see
It's 4 o'clock.
because you're going to see how the $1 trillion market is listening me. I really don't know. Seriously. Whew. So let's start with the GBP CAD. First of all, this is the currency GBP CAD, and yeah, we are above the support area. Okay, we are above the support area. So what are we waiting for? It's simple. We are just going to week into this box, and we are going to create one more blue candle. Now in the next, just come up in the next week, and this is going to happen, and you will be like, yo, this how you have done it, because I have done it. I have practiced it. It's not like a luck. No, I have practiced it. So that is the reason I know it. So this is going to happen to the perfection because it have created the higher low. Now it is going to push to the upside. How in the world we can take the trade? I mean the 4 hours also have shifted. Um, I mean we could easily take this trade, but it will be the high risk trade. To be honest, it will be the high risk trade because we'll be taking the trade at the end of the move where the move is about to stop. It's not like this is not going to work, but it's like what is the percentage of this is going to work? What is the probability of this is going to work? And if the probability is not good, should I avoid that trade? But we can consider that this is not a bad trade. This is going to work because look at that, look at the volume, look at this, like anything. So the best possible way what I will be waiting for, I will be waiting for the okay. I will waiting for the daily engulfing candle which is going to close above this. I want this. Okay. I just want this. If I get this, I want the one daily engulfing candle close above this structure. That's it. That right. Oh my god. This is look at that. Look at that. I mean, this is pure data what I'm talking about. That is what I'm saying. If I say this is going to go up, that currency goes up because I speak with the data. It's not like, oh, I feel like it is going to go. No, 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 no. I speak with the data. Look at that. Whenever we are above this box, it is going to go up. It is going to go up. And again, it is going to go up. And whenever we are inside or below this box, we go down. So right now we are, let's delete this. So right now we are below this box. It's not good to buy right now. What is a very high probability to buy? For waiting for the one engulfing candle. That is where we'll be confirming that this is going to go up. If this happens, then I also like 4 hours will also break off structure to the pure form. It is break off structure over here, not break off, it's a shift of structure. 4 hours got bullish, but the most important thing is it will also close above this box. Okay, so in simple words, I want this to be happen exactly, and over here we will be taking a trade. Now see, it is like 95% probability that this is going to happen, and you will be like, yo this, how you even know this? Because I know this, I have practiced it. You can't you can't you can't guess it because I can guess it. Okay, that's pretty weird. So I will waiting for this engulfing candle. Let's type it down over here. Setup. This is this. Always go over here and anchor this. So what it is weekly is uh, it's super high risk trade, man. I just taking the trade about, see, it's going to create this candle, but see, it is going to create this blue candle up till over here, or it's very high probability that it is going to create a doji candle. Let's see on monthly. Now, after doing this, I also wanted to do the what it is intraday analysis prediction. So after creating this video, I have to do the analysis again to predict what is going to happen for the intraday trading for practicing of what I'm looking into. So it's like bearish, retracement got bullish, and retracement. It is heading towards upside. This thing is going to go up. It has 19 days. It could easily ending up with closing up over here, creating the new higher high. Okay, this is confirmed that it is going to go up, but now we have to figure out like how it is going to go up. As per I said, this is going to like create the one more candle up above over here, but taking the buy trade over here, it's doesn't seem good to me. Yeah, it it doesn't seems like comfortable for me because when we buy somewhere over here, okay, or somewhere over here when the retracement happen. Right now we're buying at the toppest area where very high chances that it can retrace. This is very good for the intraday, not for the swing trading, which we are going to look for. Is this a doji? Okay, that was my candle. So, what we should do? Mm-mm-mm. At least we got the wick over here, and then we can continue to go up. That will be great. But this is so good for taking the buy trade if we got every single thing that we wanted. The beautiful rejection, every single thing is like top of the world. For intraday, it can work, but not for swing. I'm not comfortable for taking the swing trade over here. We'll analyze for the intraday, but not for swing. We'll type it because we already have analyze, so why not? Daily. No, you can ask like why in the world this is so small because I usually also check on my phone. So if it is too big, my phone screen get my phone this text just consume all of my screen and I won't be able to reduce it font size. So that is the reason I just keep it slow. Daily candle closer above the daily AOI. Daily AOI means area of interest means this box. Yeah, this box. So I'm looking to buy. Probability is low, low, LOW. Risk is high. It is basically for the intraday strategy. Actually, let's make it bigger. Fuck it. Oh, this is super big. Yeah, this is decent for intraday. For intraday strategy, we can shortlist this trade for intraday. Red list. I will be also I'm making section over here for the intraday. But how to? Temporarily excluded. Add symbol. Add one view. What? What I have clicked on, man? I want to add this section over here. Yeah. Add you will compare. Add section. Yes. Intraday. Oh, caps lock. Acha. It's default ANTRA intraday. Battery is 51. Man, this is so beautiful, man. I just got love into this laptop because It just never die. The batteries never die. Uh, yeah, recording is on. Voice is encoding. What happened? Encoding overloaded. Consider turning down video. What? What was the message, man? 50, yes. So, yeah, shortlist it on intraday. Such a way we are going to do every single analysis. If you want to know for only one currency, just hop onto that currency. That's it. For a nutshell, I will just go on the GBP CAD and just create this candle, bullish candle. This such kind of candle I want above this box. That's it. Euro USD. The error was not saying that it is going to close, right? Top recording. This is this. Yeah. Okay. This is a bit weird now. How I predicted this, man? Oh yeah, I avoid the loss over here. I literally avoid the loss to the perfection. So I'm just not interested in this currency because look at this. It just came so low and so red candle in a row, which I really don't like it. At least I want the retracement. I want the retracement. I want this and I want that. The healthy will be up till here. It could easily come up and pump to the downside, but how about monthly? Monthly is doing its thing. Mm, okay, in Euro USD, I want. Nah, it's not good. It just not good. I'm skipping Euro USD. I just don't wanna consider that. Okay. We can consider the CAD GPY now. The CAD GPY has done the exact thing which we wanted to the perfection. And guess what? The thing is not stop. It is going to come up till here. And you're gonna ask, yo, how you know? Because I know. Okay. I just know it. It is on. Yeah. So it has done the like whatever I have predicted has happened to the perfection, and this week is going to get filled. This week is going to get filled. Over here there is going to be a candle, so we can we can predict that this is going to come up. Okay, I'll just delete this because this is not valid now. This is the lower high. I want now it got weak into this area of interest, which is kinda good. I still want the candlestick closure over here, on this area of interest because if like if we're taking a trade, where are we taking a trade? Which is super low. Also, 4 hours is bullish. You know what is going to happen? This is going to do like this. 4 hours is going to go up and do exact same pattern. Now this pattern is going to create the doji candlestick on the what is on the daily time frame, and that is what we are waiting for. And the next candle is going to be the push to downside candle, and then next candle is going to be down, and the next and the next and the next, exactly like this, exactly like this. So, but still, it seems a bit weird to see the things right now. Mm, If I get the candlestick closer like this and bit lower because it will get bearish, and the next candle is going to open and then close like this, that will be the bearish candle. Oh no, something falls down, and the next candle is going to be like this. Yeah, it seems pretty good, doesn't it? So this is see, this thing is going to happen. Now the question is when it is going to happen. Okay, I got to know what is going to happen. I want the daily candlestick closer over here. The next day I want the engulfing candle, okay, to the downside, which is going to make the 4 hours bearish. Once that happens, and then we'll be taking the trade over here. It is so this is going to happen, brother. If I say that has to happen, now guess what? Just come up in the next week and we'll see how it goes. It doesn't feel real, man. It doesn't feel real. Daily to close on the AOI, that is what risk is low, probability is high. Looking to sell, daily to close on the area of interest, then daily engulfing candle will be the cherry on top. But the more important thing is I want 4 hours to go bearish. This is the most important thing. The thing is daily engulfing candle is the cherry on top. So when are we going to check? So one day is equals to, we have to wait for a Monday. Monday we're not going to do anything. We're going to do everything on Tuesday. Tuesday. So Tuesday is going to be the day. Polish. This is the bearish, not bullish. It doesn't matter. Follow. Oh, daily is bearish. For us is bullish. So let's keep it like this. And the percent is right now we have right now is only 10% in our hand. Uh, so yeah, this is what we are waiting for. ED is going to happen. Cat GPY shortlisted my brother. Come up tomorrow. Let's go put in tomorrow. NZDJPY. All currencies look similar. Okay. Let's come till this year. How about monthly? Oh, monthly I've done his thing. No, monthly haven't done his thing. Monthly have to done his monthly have to come till at least a year. Because this is a fair value gap rule is getting applied for this. The recording is on, right? The recording is on. This camera angle is good. Let's go. This is the fair value gap thing. It can go up. I mean, the doji candlestick is getting created. I just don't like it. For what reason the doji candlestick is getting created? For what? Like why? And now is the thing. We're going to get sell. We're going to do the selling over here. What was this? I was predicting that this is going to go up, which haven't happened. So I haven't took the trade. So we haven't took the trade. Uh, Wait. Let me just delete a lots of lines are there. Let's keep this line. Let this. How about this? Yeah. Okay, this is the area of interest. See, man, this was a candle which I must be not taking the trade, because whenever we are above this box, we are buying, and I was above this box. That is the reason I hit my stop loss. But now we are under the box. So now it is going to create the red candle. It is going to do this. Look at that. It looks so beautiful. It is going to do this. At least it is going to come up till here. Easily. Easily. And right there, we started making it as well. We got the rejection from this area of interest. We literally got, we can pull this up because these two are also there. So we literally got the beautiful rejection. We got the, I mean, we got every single thing which we wanted. Now only thing which we want is for us to go bearish. Oh my, wow. The 4 hour also got bearish. I mean, if the market was on, I could easily, I mean, I could, I mean, I will execute this trade right away. But guess what? The market is off. So, I just can't take the trade. But I know what is going to happen. It is going to go to the downside. I can, I mean, we do have chance. It is going to come up, retrace the CMA, and then push to downside. So we can easily take this trade. Easily. Like, easily. So, guess what? There's a very high chance that we're going to make money for this week. Very high chances. Like, super high. It has to come down, brother. I mean, it has to come down. There is no other option. Stop loss is the only issue I am saying. How about monthly we check, right? Oh no, monthly we haven't checked. Yeah, this thing is going to pump to downside, man, like anything. I can see this market is going to crash or what? I don't know, man. I can see what is going to happen. Feels like the market is going to crash. And it's going to take the advantage of whatever is going to happen. It is equal to making money. So, mm, we got the rejection. Still, I feel like we are so low. Could come up, but no. We also got 4 hours bearish, man. Also, I've rejected, like, see, if and only if at 10:30, if I got entry over here, I will take the trade. If I don't get entry, I will not take the trade. That right there is a thing which I'm looking into. The take profit is going to be super closer, because actually let's not take the trade, because take profit doesn't make sense. Take profit is so low, I mean so closer, because whenever we are above, we are buying on this. Wait, let me change the color. Whenever we are above this box, we're buying. So the take profit must have to be over here. It's 8, which is so not true. We do have to keep the stop loss somewhere down there or somewhere up over here. The take profit doesn't make sense. Okay, I will be honest with you. So second, oh, so cold on. Recording is on. I just can't see my face, so camera angle is good. I have to come up over here to see the camera angle. I just done with this full brightness, but it is what it is. I mean, I'm just not liking the way we are going to sell. So mm, mm, mm. This is going like I know this is going to go down. Yeah, bro, this thing is going to go down, but the take profit is not making sense for me. So I just don't like the way it is looking. I'm just going to skip it. Yes, that's true that market is going to crash. It is going to create a huge red candle. I completely understand. But what is the probability of happening this? What is the probability of happening this? The probability is so low because whenever we are above this box we're buying, above this box we're buying, and right now we are above this box. I just don't like it. You know, when I will be loving it, when will be below that box. Yeah, when will be having the candlestick closer below, and that will be great option, isn't it? What I mean by that when the red candle is going to be closed like this, bearish, then we can take the trade and ride downside like this. That will make more sense rather than selling right now. You know what? Let's keep this trade because I just don't like this, man. Where are we selling? We're selling on the lowest low. I mean, I just don't want to get into this trade. Euro JP, I'm skipping that trade. I'm not interested. So, what it is? Euro JPY is going to go up as per my prediction, and we have done the doji. Have we? Oh, yeah, we're going to go up. In intraday, this looks good for intraday, brother. But this is like lower low, lower high. Nah, it doesn't look good. Because this is like a lower low, sorry, this is like a lower high, lower high, new lower low. Um, nope. I mean, don't want to get involved in the intraday or even swing. Now this is what I was talking about. Oh my! I have predicted this move, man. I have told this is going to go up. Is there any lines which I have? No, there is nothing. Okay, yes, yes. Look at this. Look at. I can miss the money, man. I again miss the money on the table. Wait, brother, just wait. Next week will be once that intraday is done. Now, once that intraday is going to get done, we're going to go all in, brother. You will see like how much will be missing and how much will be making. So this is so up, and I just don't like the way it is looking. I mean, we missed the train, so now we missed the train. This thing is not going to go down because there is no rejection on the weekly. So let's not give a fuck. Eurod, let's come up with Eurod. This is what is going to get happen in GBP. This is exact. Oh my god, this is exactly what is going to get happen. Exactly. I will delete this. I will delete my lines so that you can see. Should I take this trade? But no. Okay. This is exactly is going to get happen. The raid. I mean, the literally the raid candle is going to get happen like this, which has happened in a odd cat. No, no, no. Use euro odd. Yes. Exactly what is going to happen. Euro odd is one candle ahead than GBP odd. Now I'm getting more confidence in the GBP odd for taking the sell trade, but the only thing which I don't like is the way we will be selling on a daily on the lowest point possible. I just don't like this. Even if I sell this, okay, once that candlestick, once we waiting for the daily candlestick close, uh, like this, even we can't. I mean, we can does we and this brightness is. Even if we took the trade over here, where the stick profit is going to be, this is the area where the first movement is going to happen. There is no data for the take profit. I mean, like I just I just want to stay away from this trade. Stay away from this trade, even though I know this is going to happen. So it is a part of a game. It is part of a game. We're gonna have to accept this. Thirsty, right? I want coffee. I'm using the Andrew Tate styles, drinking a lot of coffee, and that actually helped. I drank a morning coffee, and that just drive my energy like anything. But now if the energy got low, I need a coffee. We, I mean, we can sell this over here if the price comes over here, but I just don't like this. Come up here, nah. I said it is going to create the blue candle, then it is going to create a red candle, and then it is going to create a red candle once more, which haven't happened. But you see what I predicted that it is going to go down, it is going down. Something is playing up, but my thing is prediction. What I said, it is going to go down, and see what happens. It has gone down, and guess what? It is going to continue to go downside because the wicks and the rejection I can able to see. This thing is going to continue to go to the downside, and I just don't like to take the trade, not even intraday in this currency. GBP USD. Looks like it is going to go up, but wait. I mean, I'm just not interested. Now we're talking about. No, we're not. We're not. Looks like this is going to go up. I mean, I have predicted this movement. Just go on and the video which I'm going to upload for this week trading. What I have predicted in an intraday. This I told that this is going to create the blue candle. Guess what? It does create the blue candle. Exactly what it is. Now, what I am thinking that it is going to happen that this thing is going to get bearish like this, and this is going to get retrace, and this is going to once more like get sideways and then push to downside, and this whole week is going to get create like a doji on the weekly, and the next week it is going to start pushing to the downside because we are so up, which is not good. We gonna have to come down. So I will be not taking the trade, not even intraday in this. At least not for buy. For sell, I'm very much interested. Um, the same thing over here. As I said, it is going to. I like see. I have avoided the loss to perfection by waiting for the engulfing candle to the downside on the weekly, which haven't happened. So, what is going to happen in next week? The next week is going to happen the engulfing candle to the downside. This was a currency we have the losses. I have accepted that is going to go to loss. So okay, this was a intraday thing. It just pumped to downside. My take profit was right here. It just comes near to my take profit and it's going to the stop loss. Sorry. Right now I'm not interested in this currency. This thing again, the same thing. The exact line is going to tell you what is going to happen. Okay, now I'm a bit sleepy now. So it is going to go up and it is going to go down, get bearish, and then wait for the weekly to candlestick closer. The next week we will be start pushing to the downside. We'll be having the engulfing candle on the weekly, and then, like I'm telling you now, we'll be having a bunch and bunch of trades in the next week, and in the next to next week, like 2 3 weeks, we'll be having a lot of good trades. So what's up with this? Created the higher high, higher low, high. I have also prayed, like yeah, I have predicted this move to the perfection. I have told this is going to create the blue candle. Just go and watch the previous video. I have literally, like, why in the world I haven't took the trade, man? I missed this. Oh yeah, just because of it was not looking good on a daily. That is the reason I haven't took the trade. The rest, it played out. So what are we going to do now? It is going to continue to go up, but where are we in the move? Okay, right now we are so above. I'm just not interested. The recording is on, right? Yeah. My energy got so low. No, I'm just not interested to buy over here because it's so above. I know this is going to create one more blue candle. Oh wait, let me check. I certainly know that this is going to create the blue candle, but I don't want to. I don't want to mess up. No, coach. Mm-mm. Okay, this is a bit weird now. I This is going to go up now. I mean, this got so beautifully reversed there. So this thing is going to go up. What is this? Arrows. I mean, this is going to go up, but the thing is, I just don't like the way it is looking right now. GBP NZD. Mm, it is getting ready to go down or what? Oh yeah, it is getting ready to go down. Battery is there. Recording is on. Higher high, higher, lower, lower. I mean, it is getting ready to go down, but I just don't want to mess up. I'm not interested. Odd USD. Oh, we are about to end the currencies. Odd USD. That actually just increased my energy down there. Odd. What is odd USD, right? So odd USD is created so beautiful doji. This is going to create like this. This thing is going to happen. Guess what, brother? If you know what is going to happen, you will make money. This thing is going to happen. So now the question is, where we are going to take the trade. Man, this is so beautiful. Man, this is it. Like, this is the trade we are looking into. So now, what I am going to wait for, like, I will show you the future of this. Is actually happens. It is going to create the blue candle. Once the blue candle on a daily candlestick is done, then I'm going to take the trade, which is also going to make the 4 hours bullish. If it, oh my goodness. Now this is the trade. Yes, this is the trade we are going to take. Like this is the trade, brother. Like, I just can't. You want to see the future of what I'm going to predict? See. So now how I come up, wait, am I going out of the camera? Yeah, looks like that because the angle was not good. So now this thing is going to create the blue candle, and guess what? I will show the exact same thing which already happens, not happens. GBP USD is that USD currency, or USD is Euro USD. I will show you. Just give me a minute, okay? I have to shuffle it. Nope, it has happened. Oh yeah, say this. Just say this. Exactly. The exact move came down and got an engulfing candle. The same thing which I'm waiting for in odd USD. Now it came down. It is going to have the engulfing candle on the what it is on the daily. I want the engulfing candle close above. Once that engulfing candle close above, then we'll be having the 4 hours. Right now 4 hours is creating lower lows and lower highs. Then we'll be creating the 4 hours higher high and the higher low. I will delete this box temporary, and over here we'll be taking the trade in on Tuesday, and then we can easily write this easy, like, wow, my search of finding trade is over. Now this is the trade we are looking into, the high probable trade. So now let's delete this. I I just wanted to show in a candle representation. I am waiting for the daily engulfing candle. The most important thing, I want the 4 hours to go bullish and retrace. That is the most important thing. The if daily engulfing candle got, then that's a cherry on top. But yeah, this is what we are looking to. So we are looking for buy. The probability is high. Risk is low. Okay. Daily engulfing candle. Oh, when I wrote this. Oh, Tuesday. I mean, this whatever I have written over here already is correct. I haven't analyzed the currency, man. Maybe this is like a previous week of what. So daily engulfing candle I will be waiting for. Then I will be wait for. I have to come back on Monday. This is going to be Monday engulfing candle. Tuesday will be the trade. So we will bullish for us bearish. This is going to be a beautiful trade in the next week. Now this is what we are talking about. Odd USD, I'm selected you. You're selected. Come to interview. Tomorrow's trade. Odd USD. Now USD CAD. Watch list error. But USD CAD. Let me refresh these things. I said it is going to weak into this area of internet is going to go up. It has done what? Let's see. Nah, it haven't done. Or have I said it is going to go down? Let me check. Yeah, it does say it is going, like, I was waiting for 4 hours, like, for taking the sell trade over here. I was waiting for the 4 hours candlestick closure below this candle. Then I was waiting for the retracement, then I can able to take the sell trade. But guess what? I have avoided the trade and avoided the loss by waiting for the candlestick closure below that line. That is it. My eyes are closing, man, but I can't close it. I mean, this is good trade for taking the buy, but no, I will not take this for sure. CHF JPY, which I have predicted, man. I have predicted this. No one can stop me now. I did predict this, man. Seriously. Have we accomplished our goal? We haven't accomplished our goal. The goal is still ongoing. So it is going to create one more red candle, which is, oh yeah, exactly. This is exact engulfing candle I'm waiting for this odd USD. Where the currency gone? Odd USD. Why shortlist? Why it just got disconnected or what? Odd USD. I shortlist you. You got disconnected. This is the exact engulfing candle I will waiting for. See? CHFJPY. CHFJPY is ahead on the odd USD. Exact, but the only thing is CHFJPY daily is bearish and odd USD is bullish. That is how it is separating both V's. Both are the other different tracks. So guess what? I want the daily candlestick closure over here, and then we will be having the daily engulfing candle again over here on a red candle. Once that happen, then I can able to take the trade, sell trade over here, somewhere down there, stop loss and take profit over here. We could easily take the trade over somewhere here, easily. I mean, we are still going to take this trade exactly where we have missed, if and only if we got the engulfing candle and whatever we are saying we want. Okay, so not an issue. Even if we miss the trade in the previous week, we are going to take the trade in this week. So that is what I'm saying. Do not worry if you miss the plane. There is always the other planes are lined up. You can just buy the other ticket. Do not worry. Do not rush. Do not risk more. So again, this is the area of interest, this and this. I want the daily candle closer on AOI. AOI means area of interest. Area of interest means this box. And the next thing which I want is uh, 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 the next thing which I want is like for us to go bearish for taking the sell trade, and if we got the daily engulfing candle, that's cherry on top is equals to cherry on top. So when are we going to check? We are going to check on Monday. Monday candle will be on a closer over here. Tuesday candle will be on. Tuesday will be looking into it. If Tuesday have the 4 hours bearish, then we'll be taking the trade. If Tuesday don't have 4 hours bearish, then we'll take the trade on Wednesday. Because in the New York session of Tuesday, the 4 hours will get bearish, and Wednesday session at 6:30 it will retrace and it is going to push to downside. Dude, look at this. I got so connected to the market that I can literally literally see the future, what is going to happen, literally see the future. Like, no one is doing this, no one. And I'm sharing this for free. That's a dumb mistake I'm doing, but it is what it is. Recording is on. For 1 second I was like, oh shit, the recording is stopped or what, because the timer just stopped. But it is what it is. And my shoulders are, yeah, no, looks good. Mm, okay. So, I was waiting for the CHFGPY. You are selected. So, what I'm waiting for, yeah, return Tuesday, Monday candlestick close. We will just check it on Tuesday. If for us get bearish, awesome. If not, then you know we'll have to wait for the this candlestick closure, Tuesday candlestick closure. Then on Wednesday we'll be take the trade. But we're gonna have to monitor for 5 minutes. Like, how much time it's going to take to check? Is the daily candlestick closure on the box? Yes or no? No. The close the chart. Yes. Then wait for 4 hours to go bearish. This this is so simple. It just take 1 minute, less than 1 minute, right? So risk is low, profit is the high. I'm looking for sell, daily candlestick closure on the air, daily engulfing cherry on top. Pay, oh, it is bullish. Oh my god, I got good in counter trend as well. Wow. So this is what I'm waiting for, CHF I am interested. Today's trade. What was the today's trade? Today night, tomorrow's trade. Hmm. CHF. I mean, I just don't like these currencies because where are we right now? This is also CHF. Okay. We can't buy over here. We can sell over here, but we can't buy over here. Because buying at the toppest top is going to be the most important mistake you will be doing in your life. You can sell. This is going to create the red candle. At least up till this week. Very, very, very high probability. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it is. It is what it is. CHFPY or CHF, I just don't like it. Euro and you know what? Delete it. Delete this, brother. Euro CHF. Hmm. Now we are ready to go down, man. We are ready to go down. Man, this is so beautiful. I am predicting this market from almost months or 2 months. I am saying this is going to go down. And guess what? Now is the time it is going to go down. This thing is going to create this red candle. Even it is going to go down like this. You can ask me how you know. When you ask, you will get. So, it is so beautifully created, man. Wow. Okay, the only con is it is creating the higher high, higher low, next higher high. This is like a bit tricky down there. I will be waiting for the daily engulfing candle, which will make the 4 hours bearish. Oh my god, it is so, so, so true. Look at that. Look at this structure. Look at this. If 4 hours got bearish, it will be like this. Retrace EMA, push to downside up till here. Now note this, that 4 hours is bullish. This is the higher high, this is the higher low. This haven't closed above, so it's a bit tricky, but I will still be waiting for this to happen. If this happens, that will be engulfing candle on the daily, will be also below the EMA. It's every, like a lot of things is going to get connected if like this thing happens, because I will give you one more reason. I will give you one more reason. Let me tell you. So, whenever we are below, we are selling. Whenever we are below, we are selling. And now we are below. We must be selling, right? And also, it have created a doji at the toppest top with the wick a lot to the downside. This thing is going to get filled. I mean, it has to get filled. The market doesn't work without getting filled. These things. I, I guess, like, why I feel like the market is going to crash, brother. Like within the whole month, it is going to, like, this thing is going to do this bearish. Like, imagine the current candle is going to almost close below this. Like, even go up till here. Look at your positions, brother. Look at your positions. This is going to happen. Okay, this thing is going to happen. Man, this is so beautiful. This thing is going to happen, because if it wanted to go up, why in the world this will create such kind of candle? If such kind of candle is created, I know what is going to happen. It is going to get bearish. Also, be getting the rejection. The only thing I know, no. You can ask, like, why in the world, you say, like, this is going to happen, then why you don't take the trade right now? Because I know what is going to happen, but do I have the confirmation of what is going to happen? No, I want the confirmation. I want market to say to me, talk to me that, yo, I'm going to go down. You can sell me. This is going to go down. Right now, I don't have confirmation. I want the engulfing candle for us to get bearish. That is the confirmation. Then I can take the sell trade. If I don't have confirmation, that means I'm going to avoid the loss. And you guys will take the trade just because of getting fear of missing out. What is FOMO? FOMO. Because you think like, oh, I'm getting a good entry, so let's sell. No, then good entry is also going to give you good loss, not good profit. So that is the reason you need to wait for the candlestick confirmation. You need to market to talk with you. Man, I literally can feel, man. I got so good in this, so good. So what I'm waiting for, daily engulfing candle below the box. That is all I'm waiting for. The probability is high, man, because the doge is created. I like it. Risk is very much low. I want daily engulfing candle below the box. Then I want the 4 hours to go bearish. 4 hours to go bearish, which is going to happen if
It's
engulfing
5
candle,
o'clock.
if engulfing candle is going to create. Okay, the screen is recording. Bal. Yeah. So yeah, this is the thing. This is going to happen. Okay. If this doesn't happen, this is going to happen. Okay. This thing is going to happen. I will just draw this red candle so that we'll be instantly seeing what is going to happen rather than reading all of this. Also, I will just do like this. Yeah. To make us understand instantly. We understand more quicker than reading than visual. Euro NZ, come to my home. So, what are we waiting for? Monday daily engulfing candle. Tuesday, the trade is going to be on Tuesday. So one day is equals to, I'm waiting for the daily engulfing candle. Alright, that is the Monday daily engulfing candle. Tuesday will be taking the trade. Beautiful. So yeah, it is how it is going to work. Euro and 30, all pairs. So we are just 2 to 3 currencies left. Odd NZD. What was that? Have I predicted this move? I don't know why this line is there. What is it? This is saying this is going to go up, which have gone up, but I don't know, man. I just don't want to. Um, I'm not interested. This is super sideways. Not interested. Hmm. I know what is going to happen. It's going to go down, and guess what? It will go down. Because it has created the lower high. Oh, look at this. Like, why in the world daily will get bearish? Like, people will say this is left head and then right shoulder break and then retest EMA. It is going to, because I mean, I just said this by looking in a higher time frame. This thing, like, see this. This thing is going to create such kind of red candle. Mm, 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 mm. So guess what? We ready to make money. So what's up? Let's delete this lines, man. This is like, I just don't like my extra things which is right now. Arey yaar, market. I am still looking like a market is going to get crashed, man. Like, why in the world this is going to get filled? This is like this much big candle is going to get created at the end of the month. This week is going to, like, why in the world this is creating this? Hmm? This is going to go down, and usually I can able to see future. So brother, please, like, make sure you are not trading such kind of things if you are not serious about this. What is this? Okay. What about 4 hours? 4 hours needs to get bullish, retrace and bearish. I want, this is going to get happen. I'm just figuring out, like, how we can enter. So what I'm waiting for this bullish. I feel like it is going to pump to the downside rather than it is going to come up. But I just can't take the sell trade downside over here. I gotta have to come. I gonna have to. I mean, if I wanted to take the trade, I'm gonna have to wait for the price to come up till here, or else I'm not interested to take the trade. And then we could end up creating a dozy, and then we'll be having the sell to the downside. Bearish. Exact thing. Exact like this. This kind of like this blue candle is this blue candle. This doji candle is equals to this doji candle. And after that we can enter into the trade. Before that I just don't think that we can enter into the trade. You know? Yeah. This is probably it is. Also, if it is wanted to come up, it has 4 hours has to go bullish, and then and it is going to close like this blue candle on a daily, and if the 4 hours now this is going to go down, right? Then the bullish 4 hours has to get bearish, so it is going to okay. I will just represent. So it is going to create like this pattern, right? The bearish pattern. It is going to create the doji candlestick on a daily, which is this. And once this candlestick is going to get closed on the next day, on Wednesday, it is going to start pumping to the downside. I am just waiting for this two candle, like one candle closer, the next candle doji, and on a Tuesday, no, Monday, Tuesday, when on Wednesday I will be taking the sell trade to the downside. But only and only if we got the one candle closer, the next candle doji. That's it. If only one candle closer happens until the 4 hours get bearish, haven't got the 4 hours haven't get bearish, I can't take the trade. Either I want 4 hours get bearish and then candlestick closer, or either I want 4 hours get bearish and the doji candlestick closer. That's all I want. So I will just keep this out like this. So this sell trade will make us a lot more money if we think if we got what we want, because this thing is going to crash like anything. So in crash we make a lot of money. So we'll be writing up here. This bit high anchor. So the probability is high, risk is low. Looking for sell. I want daily need retracement candle. Daily need retracement. Daily need the retracement candle. Will improve the daily candle closer on AOI. Uh, uh, uh. And the next thing what I want is daily doji or 4 hours to go bearish on Tuesday. Daily doji or 4 hours to go bearish and candle closer. let's just make it simple. Daily rejection candle closer on Tuesday, and then I want the 4 hours to go bearish on Wednesday. That's all I pretty much want. So we're gonna have to wait for 2 days. And we will be checking on Wednesday. That's it. That is it. People don't know when they open the chart, they really don't know like, oh, I don't know where it is going. I think it is going to sell, and then they sell. Just show me anyone is doing this. Show me. If I open this NZD, whatever this chart is, I can literally say like what I am waiting for, and if what is going to happen. And if that happen, what is the probability of I will make money? And if I make money, how much I will make money? If I lose money, how much I will be losing money, and if I lose money, why I will be losing money, and if I yeah, that's all. That's all. No one is having this type of things, right? So this is the NZUSD. I like this currency. So let's go. NZUSD more to it. This is a section of when the trades in the trade today, that means Monday, tomorrow that means Tuesday, and more to it is more than Tuesday. So we'll just check one by one. What are we waiting for? I'm waiting for Monday candlestick closure, daily engulfing candlestick closure. Monday, that means Tuesday. Tuesday will be having the trade, so it is in the perfect section. CHF JPY. I want the daily candlestick closure over there, and then for us to go bearish, or either a daily engulfing candle. That's two things which I wanted. That means two things which I that means I just have to check it after the daily engulfing candle, daily candlestick closure, which is a Monday candlestick closure. That means we need to check it on Tuesday. That means it is in a perfect section. The CAD JPY, again the same thing, daily candlestick closure over there, and then after Monday daily candlestick closure, on Tuesday candlestick open, we need to check either 4 hours got bearish. If not got bearish, then we have to wait for the engulfing candle of the Tuesday candlestick closure of the daily, and then on Wednesday we can take the trade. So we're gonna have to check it on Tuesday. So it's in the correct section. Euro NZD. I'm just waiting for the daily engulfing candle, and then we'll be waiting for the retracement, which is like daily Monday candlestick closure. That is on Tuesday, very much high probability that we'll be taking the trade. So AUD engulfing candle closure Tuesday, there is a very high probability of taking a trade. Euro NZD is daily engulfing candle, and very high probability that we can able to take the trade to the downside on Tuesday. It's in shortlisted CHF JPY, waiting for this to happen, and CAD JPY waiting for exact same thing is going to happen. Now on NZUSD, I'm waiting for daily candlestick closure, then daily doji, and then uh, either yeah, see, either we can even have such kind of bearish, and then we'll be having this. We can also have such kind of, see, um daily candlestick closure, right? Once on Monday of Monday, and then daily reaction candle rejection data, daily rejection candle closure on Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, wait, we need to update rejection, or so I want 4 hours to go bearish, or okay, we'll do this, or daily rejection candle closure on Tuesday. Either 4 hours got bearish on Tuesday. If 4 hours is not bearish on Tuesday, then we're gonna have to wait for the daily rejection candle closer on Tuesday, and then we can take the trade on the Wednesday. Once all these two things got check. So we'll take it this. Alright. We want this on Monday. Monday should close like this. We'll delete this line. I was about to close this laptop. Video is on, right? 54, yeah. So I want the daily candlestick closure over here. The next day, I want either 4 hours get bearish. I don't want 4 hours get bearish at the end of the day. I want 4 hours get bearish in a London session, which is like 12:30 p.m. to either or 3:30 p.m. to 4:30 maximum. After that, if 4 hours get bearish, I don't care. I will wait for the daily candlestick closure on the Tuesday. Once daily candlestick closure on the Tuesday, on Wednesday I will check two things. Does 4 hours get bearish? If yes, taking the trade. If no, then there is no trade. So this is how it goes, and gonna have to check this on Tuesday, right? Yes, we will be checking this on Tuesday. Here we go. So GBP cat, this is an intraday trade. If we got the engulfing candle over here, then I will be looking to take the trade on $5,000 account, not $1 lakh account. This is just the intraday. It's pretty risky. It should not be taking the trade like this. Now for intraday, I will be analyzing every single night about the intraday. I probably guess so like 8:30 or maybe something like that, or maybe in morning, but morning it's not possible to do it. Yeah, only night. Yeah, I just wanted to shift more on intraday because if we got more opportunities, then we make more amount of percentage. But yes, we do have to accept that intraday is little bit tiny percentage of lowering our winning percentage because we are dealing with the lower time frame is having a lot of fake outs, so that is the reason the more the high time frame, the more the high probability of we making money. But the lower the time frame, the lower the probability of we making money, but we get a lot of trades. So we average a lot of trades, averagely we make a lot of more money than the weekly. So I just want to check it. So this is how it is working. These are all the currencies which we are looking to take the trade. Now it is so super clear for you all guys. This is the end of this. Now pretty much whatever I'm going to say, it is going to happen 99.89% of time. It is going to happen what I have said. Now don't trust on my words. Just come back on the next week, on the next Sunday. I will be analyzing these currencies, and in a section 2, the way we have done the before and after in this video on section 2, the next week we will be doing the before and after, what I have written, what I have happened. Guess what? Whatever I have predicted, it is going to happen, no doubt. If you don't trust on my words, just come back and next week we will look into it. Signing off. Have a wonderful day ahead. Now it's probably evening. Have a wonderful evening. I will be working on my business basically to grow my business. I will not use laptop now just because of 27% battery. I have to make it full, then I can use it. Signing off. Peace.